Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2013 BMW 320d Estate. Now of course this is a bit of a unique spec on this car, and of course you do get full LED headlights, LED halo lights which are your daytime running lights. You then get these brilliant 18-inch painted alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and condition that you get on them. Around to the rear we've got your rear parking sensors and a rear view camera, which is just on the tailgate here as well, as you can see just there. Then of course with this being the Touring, you do get the split opening tailgate, which you can see just here, just so you can come, pop your shopping in, come back out, close it up, and it will make it a bit more compact and you probably won't have your shopping falling out at you. Alternatively, you get a full electric opening tailgate, which you can see here, which will show you the sheer amount of space that you do get inside of this tailgate. You've got a three-way splitting rear bench, which will fold flat with the boot floor as well. And then of course you have additional storage below the boot floors, which you can see in there. Of course, lifting the other one up, again, even more storage in there. To lower the tailgate, simply tap the button at the top and it will drop down like so. Then showing you the rear alloy just here. Now of course, something that you don't really see in many M Sports, you have the Alcantara and cloth seating with Isofix mounting points at the bottom with the blue M Sport stitching. You've got comfort access, which you can see on the door handle just here. You've got electric driver's adjustment with memory function as well. Power fold wing mirrors, automatic headlights, the spec does not stop. You've then also got your iDrive controller in the middle, 8-speed automatic, dual climate control in the front, and then we have your iDrive in the middle, which has your satellite navigation. You've got Congolese. Your various audio sources, a radio band, so you've got AM and FM. Over to your media, you've got Bluetooth in here along with CD, DVD, and then you also, again, back to the satellite navigation just there. Your speed limiter on the left. Over to the right, you've got your audio controls with your volume, source, track select, Bluetooth, hands-free, voice assistant. Onboard computer controls are on the indicator stalk. And as you can see, this 320d has done 71,202 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy just here. If you do, of course, require any further information on this 320 Estate, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.